Hey, David Mills here. Building muscles and looking fantastic is the desire of many individuals. That comes at a cost. One has to be prepared to invest a considerable amount of time in the fitness center to obtain favorable long-term outcomes. Fortunately, it is now possible to bulk up quicker, thanks to Mi40X. This is a system that teaches people how to acquire even more muscles in less time with a series of 10 videos and a 118-page ebook that describes his training techniques. Mi40X uses Cell Growth Protocol, CEP, a training method that helps to enhance the number of nuclei in the muscle cells. The number of nuclei individuals have in their muscle cells directly affects their capability to recuperate after training. Ben demonstrates how to make the most of this unique technique in program. Write Hurry Unregistered Trademark SA comprehensive testimonial of the program. Mi40X particulars. 3 Unregistered Trademark SA great deal of useful material included in the Mi40X workout program. Hurry Unregistered Trademark SA summary of the primary components of the program. An introductory video. In this 5-minute video, Ben introduces users to the CEP training, to help them start. To obtain the best results, he advises a particular series to be followed, as opposed to jumping to the most innovative part of the training immediately. Training videos. Many people wish to see what to do, as opposed to read about it. The videos offer users a view of the workouts involved, and the best ways to do them correctly. They also consist of ideas, just understood to pros, which help get favorable outcomes faster. To make exercises more efficient, he suggests certain changes in the method individuals work out. While training legs, he reveals users a certain way of positioning their foot in order to concentrate more on the muscles the unregistered trademark attempting to target. The well-produced videos put all the training techniques in the ebook into action, making them really motivational for newbies and seasonal fitness instructors alike. Mi40X Workout Review. The Training Guide. This no-nonsense useful guide explains step-by-step the workouts one has to do, and ways to do them properly to accomplish fantastic outcomes within a short time. It also goes into detail about the concepts behind the training strategies Ben utilizes, and the reasons why they are worth following. In addition, the handbook also talks about O40 cubed in the program unregistered trademark S title, Mi40X. Apparently, the number 40 is an unregistered trademark T, really simply any random number he selected for the title. It is a vital part of the idea behind the program. He believes that a set needs to last 40 seconds, since it is the ideal time for hypertrophy, muscle development, under stress. He promotes for producing stress on particular muscles to obtain the very best results, as opposed to including more weight mindlessly, which can cause injury. All the questions one could have on the program is addressed in this comprehensive guide. Nutrition Guide. Eating properly is a must for any person who wishes to get huge, lean and strong. This workout program has various dietary guides to help users make correct food selections while utilizing it. Exactly what makes it special is that it is customized to the USERRA unregistered trademark as certain objectives, as well as training level. Be sure to follow it to obtain the most out of the workouts. Supplement Guide. Mi40X likewise features a supplement guide that assists users comprehend the best supplements to take while on the program. It is worth pointing out that the trainings and nutrition are more vital than the supplements, so those who do not have the money to get the particular supplement brands Ben suggests should an unregistered trademark T be inhibited. Instead, they must stay with the basic supplements they have actually had good experiences with, as long as the brands are from reliable companies. Workout Sheets. Ben understands the requirement for a good schedule when working out, and that is why he has included exercise sheets alongside his program to make things easier. There are 3 exercise levels to select from, relying on an individual unregistered trademark S experience level, particularly beginner, intermediate and sophisticated. As a perk, every user gets access to a video library of the CEP training, which concentrates on various parts of the body, and ways to do every exercise to obtain the very best results. The training are broken down into various stages relying on various levels of experience. This makes it best for specialists and newbies alike. Benefits. There are many benefits of using Mi-40X. The most important ones consist of: it helps to get pounds of muscles much faster than standard methods of weight training, 200% much faster. It needs no lifting of heavy weights, or investing a great deal of time in the health club. There is no stringent diet strategy, or cardio required to get outcomes. Because it is a digital system, users have immediate access to the contents once they pay for it. The exercise comes with a solid 60-day refund insure. This provides users the assurance of understanding that the unregistered trademark LL get their money back, in case the unregistered trademark re-disappointed with the results. Disadvantages. The main drawback of system is that it needs commitment, focus and effort. It is true that Mi-40X helps to even more gain muscles much faster, however one needs to want to invest energy and time to train, to get the wanted outcomes. In addition, users likewise have to prepare to go over the PDF and video materials consisted of, and follow the recommended nutrition and supplement guides. Because of this, this program could not be suitable for those who wish to bulk up, however are not willing to put on the necessary effort to obtain their dream body. Conclusion. It is a thorough program that is ensured to yield favorable outcomes. All users have to do is to follow the instructions and delight in the outcomes. It is a great investment for those who desire to get ahead of competitors in the weight room.